Let's see how we can create a Vue app. The first thing you need to do is go to the website vuejs.org, and there's a quick start guide here. Um, you need to be familiar with the command line, and you need to have installed Node.js version 18.3 or higher. Installing Node.js is pretty easy. You just go to the website and you click on this button and basically just follow the prompts to install Node.js. But installing the Vue app is done by either npm, pnpm, yarn, or burn. We're going to use npm in this case. So let's copy this code and go into VS Code, which I'm using. Then I'll copy it here and run the command. The first thing you'll be asked is to create a project name. I'll create a project name called Vue Tutorials. Keep in mind that this will create a folder. So press enter. And then you will be asked a few questions about your new Vue project. The first question is if you need to have TypeScript. TypeScript is type safe JavaScript, so if you need that in your project, I would say yes, otherwise say no. JSX is usually not needed. I don't like it anyway, so I always say no to that. And it'll ask if you need view router. A view router is good to have if you have more than one page in your app. So I would say yes to that. It makes it much easier to manage more pages. Adding Pinia for state management is good to have if you have a larger app. It makes it much easier to manage state in your app. So choose yes, otherwise no. And vtest is if you need to create test cases for your app and test your app. So and there's also an end-to-end test solution if you need that. And ESLinting for code quality is a good idea to have. This will basically show you if there's any errors in your JS code. And Prettier for code formatting is also a good idea. This will make your code prettier to look at. So it will have a nice formatting when you code, and this is especially useful if you're more than one doing this project. And you don't need to install DevTools. There's a Vue Chrome DevTools extension you can install instead. So that's it. Now you need to go inside your folder and run npm install. This will take a moment. That's it. Now we can run npm run dev and click on this link. And as you can see, the app is working and you're ready to work on the app. And if you go inside VS Code and inside the folder, you can see that the app has been created with components and assets and so forth, and a router, and everything is set up and ready to go. So that's it. I hope you like this small tutorial. please like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.